Welcome to control flow statements in Java. Generally, statements are printed in the order in which they occur in code. So statement 1, statement 2, statement 3, this is the expected order of how they would be executed. With control flow statements, the order is done by some set of conditions. It depends. The first set of conditions is when you're working with decision-making statements. There will be code examples in the next session for this. After that, we'll look at code examples with looping statements, then with branching statements. I'll make a point of going back to this to remind us what they are before we look at the code. So we have decision-making statements, if then else, or switch. We have looping statements, for, while, and do while. Then we have branching statements, break, continue, and return. So again, I'll cover this in the next sessions, the next 3 sessions, but I'll make a point of coming back here before we start looking at the demo for each of the code examples. See you in the next sessions.